At the end of the last ice age, Earth's greatest giants vanished in a geological heartbeat. Mammoths, giant sloths, saber-toothed cats, and massive herbivores that ruled for millions of years disappeared around 11,700 years ago as the planet warmed rapidly and ice sheets collapsed. This extinction was not caused by a single blow, but by a deadly combination of climate change and human expansion. As ecosystems shifted and hunting pressure increased, even the strongest species could not adapt fast enough. The end of the giants reshaped life on Earth and cleared the path for human dominance.